welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today baking series on episode 2 is strawberry bread pudding. I was trying to find a regular bread pudding recipe I like, but I couldn't find which one like that. But I'll do a part 2 to it if y'all want to see that. But I have the ingredients prepped already, so let's get into the video and let's make this bread pudding. Make sure to pause and read. Cut the brioche bread and loaf into 1-inch squares. Set them evenly on a baking sheet. Toast in the oven for 300 degrees for 15 minutes. I already have my oven preheated to 300 degrees, so we're going to cut the brioche bread, put it on the pan, put it in the oven for 15 seconds. So let's get to it. Okay, so I already cut it in half, then I cut it into 4s. Now I'm going to cut it again because some pieces are still big, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Bestie, so I did record the instructions for step 2, but with step 3. For step 3, we're going to add the bread pieces to the custard. They gently toss to get all the bread evenly coated, then let it sit for 20 minutes. Then you're going to preheat your oven again to 350, but let's put this bread in this custard. Now we're going to pour our bread custard in. I'm praying everything fits. Oh, Lord Jesus. Hey, it fit. That's what I'm talking about. Hold on, let me fix it, y'all. I already got my oven preheated to 350. I don't know. Mine's look a little different from hers. I don't know. It should come out the same though. Let me just do it even. Alright, Bestie, so now we have our warm strawberry jelly that we're going to drip, not spray, like drizzle over the top, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 50 minutes. So let's do that. Hopefully I drizzle good. Hopefully I didn't warm it too much. Bestie, so this is how it should look. Now let's put it in the oven. Hey Bestie, so this is how it look coming out the oven. It smells so good up here. Yeah, it smells like strawberries, but I have it on this towel right here so it could cool down. I don't know. I just put it on top so it cool down, but y'all look at it, like it's coming out, almost coming out the pan, but it looks good. It smells delicious. So I'm gonna let it cool down for 15 minutes. Then we'll be back. I'm gonna make the glaze. Then we're gonna do the taste testing. Alright, Bestie, so now after I made the glaze, you're gonna need some powdered sugar, how much you want. You're gonna have whipping cream and some vanilla. And get you a whisk. But I didn't measure nothing, so I'm gonna just, until I feel like it's what I want. Put some vanilla in there. It's getting thick. Put some more heavy cream in there. Alright, now let's drizzle it on the bread pudding. Oh, I'll do some bad drizzling. Oh, it looks so good and it smells delicious. Alright, there we go. And that's the strawberry bread pudding.
My name is Serenity, and I'm about to be trying the strawberry loaf bread. I'll give it a 9.5.
How you like the taste, Hi?
It's good.
Okay.
Hey guys, my name is Malaya, and I'll be trying strawberry
Bread pudding.
bread pudding.
Tell them how you like it, be honest. And I'll just come your TV.
I rate it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. How you like it, how the texture is?
Soft. It's good.
Good. Okay.
I'm Elwin and I'm trying the strawberry bread pudding. It's good. It's good. Maybe 10 out of 10.